Hello everyone. Today we learn kitchen routine sentences. I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I take a glass.
I take a glass.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
I take vegetables.
I take vegetables.
I wash the vegetables.
I wash the vegetables.
I cut the vegetables.
I cut the vegetables.
I take a pan.
I take a pan.
I turn on the stove.
I turn on the stove.
I add oil.
I add oil.
I cook food.
I cook food.
I stir the food.
I stir the food.
The food is hot.
The food is hot.
I add salt.
I add salt.
I taste the food.
I taste the food.
I turn off the stove.
I turn off the stove.
I take a plate.
I take a plate.
I serve the food.
I serve the food.
I eat my meal.
I eat my meal.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I clean the table.
I clean the table.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I wipe the counter.
I wipe the counter.
I clean the sink.
I clean the sink.
I put dishes away.
I put dishes away.
The kitchen is clean.
The kitchen is clean.
I throw the trash.
I throw the trash.